That would definitely be on a Sunday. I think I got a phone call from a friend, Tosin. I was contemplating whether to go to class that day or not because, man, I think it was raining. So she called me and she told me about 321 study. She asked me if I knew anything about 321 study. I was confused and she told me to go on the website and check it out. When I went there, it was like a dream come true. The first challenge I can think of from the top of my head is waking up 5 a.m. to go to class and not still get a good seat. How SFM, Strategic Financial Management, that course gave me headache. Not to even talk about all the Saturdays, the weekends, basically. All the weekends I've missed. Now I don't even know what to do with my weekend. I've been writing ICAN since 2017. I don't know how to handle a free weekend because I'm always going to class here and there. So I've had a lot of challenges, but to list a few: going to class, my personal life, sleepless nights. I can't even start mentioning all of them. Innovative, efficient, reliable. Those are the three words that come to my head when I think about 321 study. The truth about the matter is, if you have written, you hear of people who write ICAN and at first try, they clear it. But there are so many people who are struggling. I struggled too. So I know how disappointing it is when you feel like you went to the exam hall, you gave it your best, and then you come and see a score like 27. It's discouraging. But, it's something that if you put in a lot of time and effort, there's no way you will not conquer it. The worst part is, the beautiful part is, 321 study has made it even easier. Before I met 321 study, I was the kind of guy who would go to class a month before exam and start sleeping every night. Every night, 1 month to exam, you start sleeping, you start doing TDB because I don't even know how to read during the daytime. It's in the night I know how to, But funny enough, I started using 321 2 weeks to my exams, and all those challenges, all those sleepless nights, it's reduced to a bare minimum. I can't even remember being sick, or because these are the usual challenges. You have a week to the exam, you get sick or something. So, using 321 was beautiful. Let me even tell you something funny. The morning of my exam, I was going through a particular video and something just said, watch it to the end. Do you know that when I went into the exam hall, that same question was there? I just smiled and I said, yes, 321 study is here to stay. You see, when you write ICAN, the first thing you learn is to be humble. You will be humble because ICAN will humble you. But then again, ICAN makes you feel like there is no professional exam you cannot write. Because by the time you go through all these troubles and you see any other exam, you just smile and you have so much confidence. So my confidence level has increased. I'm very humble and I'm now a professional because I'm chartered using 321 study.